Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through the process of installing the QEMU-based Oniro emulator on Windows, and then running an application on it using DevEco Studio. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working emulator and will be able to launch applications directly from your development environment. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to docs.oniroproject.org. From the navigation menu, go to Device Development, then Developer Boards, and finally select Oniro Emulator. Here you'll find all the resources and guides you need. Now, download the pre-built Oniro emulator images from the website. Next, head over to the official QEMU website and download the Windows installer for QEMU. Wait for both downloads to finish before moving forward. Once the QEMU installer has finished downloading, open it and proceed with the installation by following the on-screen instructions. Now, locate the emulator images archive you downloaded earlier. Right-click it and choose Extract All to unpack the files into a folder of your choice. Next, let's make QEMU accessible from the command line. Open the Start menu and type Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables, then double-click on Path. Choose New and insert the directory where QEMU was installed. Click OK to save the changes. Now, open the Start menu again and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. In the list, check the boxes for Hyper-V, Hyper-V Management Tools, Hyper-V Platform, click OK, and wait for Windows to apply the changes. Once that's done, restart your system to enable Hyper-V support. After restarting, open the folder containing the extracted emulator images. Locate and double-click Run.bat. The emulator will start, and after a short wait, you'll see the lock screen appear. This means your Oniro emulator is ready to use. Now, let's run an application on the emulator. First, download a demo application project. Then, extract it. Open DevEco Studio. And then open the project you just downloaded. Next, go to Settings, open the OpenHarmony SDK, and select the required SDK version. Click OK to download it. Then, go to Project Structure, select Signing Configs, and enable Automatically Generate Signature. Click Apply, then OK, and the signing configurations will be created automatically. To connect DevEco Studio with the Oniro emulator, open the Tools menu and select IP connection. Enter localhost as the IP address and 55555 as the port number. Click Connect, and now the emulator device is connected through HDC. Finally, click the Run button to build and deploy the application. After a short while, the application will launch directly on the Oniro emulator. And that's it! You've successfully installed the Oniro emulator on Windows, configured it, and deployed a demo application using DevEco Studio. Now you can explore further and start testing your own applications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.